benefits of staff augmentation. Many companies adapt the staff augmentation model to enhance efficiency while meeting seasonal demands or temporary projects. Here are 5 factors by which staff augmentation can benefit your company or business. First, cost efficiency. Staff augmentation does away with a slew of expenses that usually come when hiring permanent employees. The most common resources of staff augmentation is a contingent workforce, which refers to a labor pool that a company signs through an agency or on an on-demand project base. The most common resource of staff augmentation is a contingent workforce, which refers to a labor pool that a company signs through an agency or an on-demand or a project basis. A contingent workforce includes gig workers, freelancers, and independent contractors. Unlike regular staff, these workers are not covered by statutory or government mandates benefits such as paid time off, maternity and paternity leaves and packages, health insurance, and severance pay, to name a few. Hence, staff augmentation is a great way to save on cost while addressing a temporary demand on business need. On many occasions, augmented staff work remotely. This means your company does not have to spend on physical assets such as computer, chairs, work desk, and IT peripherals. Second, time efficiency. Staff augmentation can help you fill temporary posts within a short period of time. Since the resources are being handled by an agency, you already have easy access to a labor pool that matches your needs, no matter how specialized they are. Headhunting often takes too much time and effort for permanent roles, but having a dedicated vendor for temporary positions makes the process smoother and more time efficient. According to research by the employment review website Glassdoor, the average hiring process takes 23 days. If you have an urgent project, spending more than 3 weeks on hiring may not be a good solution. But with the staff augmentation model, you have a better chance of finding and hiring workers within days. It can be impossible to achieve when looking for permanent and highly technical roles. It can be impossible to achieve, especially when you are looking for permanent and highly technical roles. Third, full control. Another benefit of staff augmentation is having full control of your on-demand workers. Unlike other outsourcing models, staff augmentation lets you treat your temp staff like in-house employees in such a way that you are allowed to dictate what tasks to accomplish and how to accomplish them. This means your company is directly involved in the workflow, its implementation, and process tracking. Your augmented staff will also be required to adapt to your company's existing processes and policies instead of relying on their own. In turn, your company is expected to provide training to your augmented staff so they can help improve the scalability of your services and products. Fourth, flexibility. The augmented model gives your company the flexibility of scaling up or down based on demand. It is ideal if you need to respond to one-off project without being bound to the same responsibilities as when hiring a permanent workforce. This on-demand response is a competitive edge that you can use to outdo your competitors in this talent and tech-driven business landscape. Fifth, easy access to specialized skills. An augmented team is sourced via a third-party vendor that already has a pool of talents catering to specific niches. This means you can have access to any type of worker that matches your requirements, notably those with highly specialized skills. Since these vendors operate with different branches across the world, you can take advantage of as many types